we have a sea anemone. A little red sea anemone. See how its tentacles have all gone in? We'll come out again in a minute. A sea anemone. And we found a blue eggshell. Now I don't know what type of bird this is from, but it's very blue. So we'll put that back. Right, we've got loads of limpets. Now these are like nature's answer to chewing gum. I wouldn't recommend eating them. They're very chewy and they don't taste very nice. So we'll have a bit more of a walk. This there is part of an old boat that sunk here many years ago. There's absolutely loads of wrecks around here. It's that dangerous, so we won't be spending very much time here at all. Wow. There'd have been rivets through all these, big iron rivets holding these plates together, and another plate had been next to it with holes in, and they put a rivet through. All these birds nesting. Flamborough and Bempton is one of the best places in England to see birds. Puffins, gannets, you name it, we've got them all. Black and white ones. Another big bit of shipwreck. I don't know what bit that's from. You can see some of the rivets that I was talking about now. Can you see that? And we have some more sea anemones. And lots of limpets, but we've not found any crabs yet. It's probably a bit early in the season still. More shipwrecks and more limpets. This seaweed's called bladderwrack. If you stand on it, it pops. I used to love popping it when I was a kid, like bubble wrap. We have a winkle. Now these are edible, but I don't like them. They're a bit small and you need loads of them. So I'll put that back, it's alive, so put it back in a rock pool. But yeah, there's quite a few little winkles around. Now look at this landscape, it's like being on the moon or Mars or some other strange planet. I wonder what caused this to be like this. You can see where the winkles have been, not the winkles, you can see where these have been stuck and caused a mark. The algae. There's more down there, some of them leave little dints as well where they feed. That's nice and warm. More sea anemones. So in about another month, all these little caves here are going to have lobsters, crabs, and well, lobsters and crabs mainly living in them. So we'll come down here and we'll get some. Maybe do a bit of e-notching. I'll leave Brittany down here. I'll leave Brittany down there. And me looking foraging bucket. Not so lucky today though. What a beautiful waterfall. Beautiful little place. I think we've got an eel. No. This is so slippery, I'm just going to put it back.
Go.
Right, we're releasing this eel in the sea because the trek it'd have to go through past all the seagulls would surely mean it died. So we're going to put it in the sea. Well, we've got a pigeon. 2 pigeons. Wow. Well, if it wasn't so close to the sea, I could live in here. Oh, I don't like that crack up there. Yeah, don't be standing under there, David. If you come here, you can see a great big crack up the wall. I always remember this cave being a lot bigger than this when I was a kid. Apparently, a long time ago, when tobacco and alcohol were something you could smuggle, people used to come and store big quantities of smuggled tobacco and alcohol in here, then get picked up later. We call them smugglers' caves. These ones and the ones down there. The one with the square. It's nice to see that we've still got working boats at Flamborough. Smile, we're on CCTV. Hey, Smile, you're going on YouTube. So these probably come and get lobsters. You can see by all the crates, and there's the winch for pulling up the lobster pots. And then, so this is a lobster boat. Yorkshire Rose, nice one. And there's another lobster boat and a lot of seagull prints. See, it's the same again. We've got the winch and we got the tubs for putting them in. You get a lot of lobsters and crabs in Flamborough. It's one of the best places in England to get lobsters. When I was a kid, this whole ramp was full of boats. There was a lifeboat up there, which they don't have anymore, I don't think. And there was boats on the beach. It was full. And now we've only got this 2, that new one there, and that 4. You can see that the boats also get pulled right up here, like where this one is, with these big ropes. Wow, big engines.